Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Cascade dropper post. This is 125 millimeters and the width or the diameter is 31 millimeters and 6/10 of a meter. First thing we're going to do is remove the seat post with my seat post clamp requires a 4 millimeter Allen key, so I'm just going to do that. I'm going to apply grease to the dropper seat post. Grease it good and put it to the desired length sticking out. Maybe loosen that one. Oh, some dirts. Alright, there's that. Get that nice and straight and tighten it up.
Oh, now, finally. Yeah.
Okay. There it is. That's nice and tight. We're going to remove the seat from the old seat post with a 5 millimeter Allen key, I believe. Nope, it's a 6 millimeter. Ooh. Got the seat of the old seat post. I'm now going to install this seat onto the dropper post. I have got the seat installed. I'm going to install this PNW lever, which can be used on a 2x. Just installed the lever, so I'm going to flip the bike around and then put the cable in the dropper post. We're gonna put the cable through that right there. So we have to remove this to just get your finger under and it pops off. So yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna take the cable head and then put it into that right there, and then that will pull that down and it'll make the dropper post go down. Now that we've got that installed, don't we put the cap back on this?
Yeah.
This cap right now. Sometimes it can be tricky to put the cap back on. But there it is. And that's right there. Then we're going to install the housing over the cable and then zip tie it up, and then we'll do the lever next.
There.
Yay!
So that's that. We'll pull that through. That's going to go in there. Once that's in, we'll lock that down. This over here, that set screw that we showed you before.
Tighten that up. Requires good dexterity. I think we can test it right now.
I'm gonna not add it tight enough. What we're gonna need is the opposing ends. Oops. tension. There we go. And
it's a dropper post. It seems like it's loosening every time it's like it.
yeah, it might be. It's pulling it. It's not loosening, but it might kind of rides it along that metal ridge. So it might have
Need a bit
might
of
have
an
given us
adjustment.
enough. Oh well, we can use the barrel adjuster. Turn that out. Give it a little more tension. Oh yeah, there it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, feel it. As you can't see, there's a clip under here that will hold the cable out of the way. We'll cut the cable somewhere about here, perhaps, or maybe slightly shorter.
There it is.
Spin to win. Put the cap on. Crimp the cap. Perhaps with this tool. Sometimes I like to crimp with the biters.
Mm-hmm.
Careful not to cut it.
Mm-hmm.
2 crimps
2 crimps.
for extra security.
Security.
Into the holder.
Alright. Dope.
And
Now zip tie.
zip tie.
Where are the zip ties? I just had them.
3 here.
And 3 little things.
On top. Or we can run them from underneath.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, underneath is the way to go. Wait, don't do it.
Set them up kind of loose.
Mm-hmm. There it is. That's perfect. Then just cut them up. Or wrong way. We now have a dropper. That's sick. Oh, I wanted a dropper. Well, since half a year ago, I guess. Then get some skizzers. Or actually, those things might work well to cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think it's, no, it's good. Alrighty.
Lock that down.
Let's go.
Nope. Oh!
Short.
Okay, let's not pull on those too tight.
Yeah.
It's alright, we can still ride it.
Yeah, that's fine.
And we have,
A dropper post.
get those out of the way. I'll cut you. Can't be sharp.
Yeah.
Oh, broke another one. I knew that was going to happen. Oh well.
Yeah.
We'll have to use some string today until we get more dropper ties. And
A dropper post.
let's see it in action. First time ever.